All right, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do a daily review for today's trades this morning. Getting right into it. I wish I caught this trade, but I saw this huge S&T on ES and Q. Where there was a low created at around 755, and then 830 kind of manipulated down around 855 here. So I was bullish once I saw this SMT, so I knew that this low would be protected. This 911 would be protected, but unfortunately, I just wasn't awake. I don't wake up until like, I don't know, 5:30 PST. I don't get on the charts until about 6, um, which is about 9, right? So I missed the move. I saw all these lines here are this is London high and Asia's red. So I saw this buy side above, and I was like, okay, I think we're going up here. News. When was news? News was, yeah, 9:30. 9:30 was news, and so when the 9:30 news candle opened, uh, I wasn't in a trade, but from this SMT, I was definitely bullish because of this higher time frame SMT. I think it was on a 15 minute or an hour, but definitely nice SMT. ES is trading in a daily BISI, kind of tapped below, went back up, and so when I saw this news candle open at 9:30, um, I saw here's 9:30 open right here. I saw when I initially saw this move right here, 50% of this, oops, 50% of this, look, tapped right into 50%, boom. And I tried to get in right there, right at that BISI, this 50% BISI, but I was just late on the entry. So as you can see over here on my, so I get up at 129 right above this on this order block, so around this level. So if I hover over that, see it's right there. So I missed this BISI entry at that 50% retracement at this line right here. So I got in two contracts at this order block instead around this 129, or I'm sorry, 2020, sorry, 20,029 level. And then my first target was, when did I sell off? My first target was 40, was at, I think it was London or it was Asia. I think Asia was my target here. It was my first target. Oh no, I target up above here, 46 at this daily new day opening gap. And then once I saw ES hit Asia and London highs, I got out here for kind of a couple more points. Should have held on because it didn't hit my stop. Like this candle's low is about 27, so I think my stop was like CE of these order blocks, these three order blocks right here. So I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But anyway, so that was one trade, and then my second trade was this. Why am I drawing start on here? Oh, okay. So, and then my second trade was I got in one more contract here. I got in again because I saw that we were going to hit previous day high. And what is this? This is purple line is, I think it's PM session high. And it's previous day high at this 074 level. So I saw that we're going to hit that. I saw the SMT on ES, but I just felt like ES was definitely going to catch up and get previous day highs as well. So I was definitely bullish. Plus on the 5 minute, you can see that we were rejecting. Where are we at here? Um, on the 5 minute, we were just respecting. I think I saw, yeah, on the 5 minute, we didn't really didn't displace down at all. Just there's a candle close behind under this little BISI, but I wouldn't consider that an inversion. We're still respecting just 50% of that. Let me delete this 50%. Um, and so I think I was on the 30-second looking at it in here. So I got in it. I re-entered again because I saw that ES was pushing and was going for previous day high, or this I think it's PM session. This purple, it's PM session, and so I got in at 49 again, and got out at 59. So another 10-point scalp. Yeah, 59. Where did I get out? I think I got out because I was just targeting these highs right here. So then I waited, and then this is a beautiful unicorn setup. So, but also this is kind of what messed up my accounts because I trading 9 eval accounts on this 250k evals, and I'm on this 016 one. And anyway, I entered in here because I saw this. Where's the mention right there? Entered right here on this candle at 069, and it was on this BISI, this 30-second BISI. Well, I think even looking at it 1 minute, it was a nice unicorn setup. Yeah, so this 1 minute unicorn setup. So I entered on this BISI plus this breaker right here. I don't know why it's not. Oh, what just happened? Sorry, this is a breaker. I don't know why it's not marking it. But anyways, so entered on this BISI. We have a one minute breaker here, right? We have a sweep of these lows. So these two order blocks become your breaker. And just the bodies, I'm doing this the bodies. So this is a beautiful unicorn setup. Boom, price held that's this BISI. And I set one entry here, and then I set another entry, I think at 063, which it never hit. So the low of this was 061. Or maybe, I think it was just late on I was late on the entry. I think I set it at or maybe I set my limit. I had another limit order to buy lower. I forget where it was, but anyways, I didn't get filled on that, unfortunately. So I only have one contract set. Otherwise, I would take a partial, at these highs right here, and then my last target would be this PM session or lunch session high. So this yellow line. So, but when I did that, I think I accidentally moved. So here's the tip: is that when you are trading multiple accounts and doing the copy trading on Tradovate, you can't touch. You have to manage it with the Tradovate screen. You can't touch it on TradingView, otherwise it'll unsync it. So I think I was trying to move something around. I accidentally moved my stop, and then so it unsynced it, and then I moved my stop lower because I felt like we were going to take out this low, so I just moved it lower below this order block here, and I moved it. And on this one account on 016, it did move the stop, but the rest of my eval accounts, like 17, 15, 14, it didn't. So for example, this one, I got stops right here, right? Whereas on my 016 account, I caught 55 handles. So it's super disappointing because on all 8 of my other accounts, I got stopped out for $200 or whatever. I'm still up on those accounts, like $700 on the day, but it could have been up $1,600 on the day rather than $700. So I caught this trade. I didn't caught this trade on the 016 account, which is beautiful. 55 handles, boom, right there, right? Hit my TP. But on my other accounts, as you can see here, so 016, if I look at 017, I'll look at this one. 017, I'm up 7. Mommy, what? Okay, buddy. Daddy's making a video right now. I'll be there in just a second, okay? So anyway, those are my trades this morning. This unicorn definitely was the best setup, in my opinion. I could have aimed for higher, but I was just weary of. I knew we were just gonna chop around after we hit after ES took high, previous day high, and we're probably just gonna chop around. So I'm pretty much done because I think that was the daily objective for today, taking our previous day high. I'm gonna come back at MOC at a last hour, see if I see anything, but if I don't, that'll be it. Tomorrow we got news at 8:15. So typically when we have news in the mornings, that PM session or the session before is going to be pretty choppy. So I'll probably, like I said, unless there's a clear objective or clear liquidity that hasn't been swept by 3:30, then I'm just going to sit out because I'm already up so much on the days. Okay, buddy, I'll be there in just a second. So anyways, there it is, guys. That's today's trade recap. Overall, I felt like I did really well. I stayed patient. I let price come to me. Um, you can watch me live on the last video, but it was good. It was a good trading day. I didn't feel like I FOMO'd. All my wins were pretty calm. It was just like, yep, as expected. I knew price was gonna go there, and trying to just keep my emotions at bay and not get overconfident, or even with my losses, not get super bummed out. But I think it's only because I'm trading two cons at a time on a 250K account. On an eval, I'm pretty calm. If I was trading like 5 or 6 contracts on a eval account, even I'd be pretty nervous. But just staying with the right sizing is helping definitely with my nerves. But yeah, that was today's trade. Let me know if you guys caught this move down from this S&T, maybe from the 8:15 or the 9 o'clock. Dang, I wish I'd gotten in here, because once we clear this new week opening gap, we just catapulted up. But anyway, that's it for now, and I'll update you guys later if I decide to hop on at the last power hour. All right, don't forget to subscribe and put your notification bells. Check out my Discord. I post everything on there, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.